Hi guys, what's going on? It's the digital tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how you can create a join link in Google Meet and where to find this to invite other people into your Google Meet. So if you're new to the channel and you find this helpful, please leave a like on the video, drop a comment below, and also consider subscribing to the channel for more how-tos, step-by-step tutorials and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So if we come across and open up our internet browser, and what we need to do is come across to meet.google.com. And basically once you've got the link, you just need to send that through to everyone and they'll be able to click the link and join your meeting straight away. Bear in mind it would be the host that would create the link. So if we approach this as if we're the host setting up a new meeting, what we need to do is click the new meeting button down here. And we're just going to go ahead and click create a meeting for later. And just like that, it's going to create a link for you here. All you need to do is click this button here to copy the link. And what you can do is just bring up a notepad on your laptop, hold Control and V, or right click and click paste to copy the link. And that would be the link that you sent to everyone for them to join your meeting. If you have a look, if I actually put this code now into my computer and I click join, it's ready to go, and that'll be ready as soon as the host confirms, as soon as everyone else joins, and it's going to tell you who else is on the chats down here. So I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, drop a like on the video and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you want to help support the Digital Tutor channel and help with its growth, there's a link in the video description where you'll be able to buy the team here a nice cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.